Hi, everybody. Well, I'm disappointed that we are not meeting together in person tomorrow, but I get it, and it is 2022, and we are pivoting again. So today, I'm really sending this message to you to help fill in the logistics side of things that we have for tomorrow. You know that being online, whether it's PD or it is just learning and teaching online, you lose some of that spark, you lose the human connection, the energy you get from the different activities and discussions that you are able to have together. So just come tomorrow with the knowledge that that is the case as we experience together the various conversations and work and the workshop that we do. And I hope that you can come with that sense of, I'm going to make this the best I can make it, not only for myself, but for the people who've prepared and the people I'm working with. So that being said, the point of this whole thing is to kind of give you an idea of what tomorrow is going to bring. So you got an email from Jenna Cooter, and it has links to our trail guide. And the trail guide is one that you're going to want to keep up all day or all afternoon tomorrow, and you'll be able to refresh that. So if for some reason we have to make changes to a Zoom link because of technical difficulties or something, if you're hitting refresh on that document, you'll have the most updated version. So that being said, you're going to have that open. It has all the Zoom links you're going to need with our schedule. It also has all of the documents that we're going to need to do the work of writing rationales together tomorrow. So we'll join all together as if we were in the auditorium. It'll be one big Zoom, and I'll kick us off doing a little bit of reading and introducing Dr. Scott Fluke and his work on resilience. And then some of us will go to Power Up meetings, some of us will go meet with our literacy group, some of us will go see Dr. Fluke and participate in the resilience workshop, and some of us will start writing rationales. This conversation and this information is focused on the writing of rationales. So when you come to the link to do that, I'll put you in grade level breakout rooms quickly. You guys will divvy up the draft core lit list in terms of familiarity, but also along the lines of just thinking about multiple perspectives. So hopefully you'll partner or trio up with people that are not in your building so that we do have multiple perspectives. I know that won't be easily doable in all scenarios, but hopeful thinking is really what it is, and sort of the best case scenario. So after you get that divvied up, you'll actually go off and work together via Zoom of your own link on the rationales. So we're going to say that you've already partnered up or teamed up with the people to work, and the first thing you're going to do is read the directions for writing rationales. It's really important that you read those directions, but really also that front matter, because there's a rationale for writing rationales from NCTE that I think is really powerful and says why this work is so important that we're doing it. And it'll sort of set the stage. And then really the rest of these suggestions, the rest of these directions are just simply that. There's directions but suggestions. You can make this work however you want. My thought is that you have a partner A and a partner B, and partner A decides to do the typing, so you access the framework template in the shared folder and the vertical standards document. You'll also log into Tidal Wave using the directions that are in the trail guide as well. Those three things you'll have up because you'll be able to copy and paste much easier because you'll have them open already. Partner B, you open the vertical standards document and the power standards document so that you can participate and help look at those standards and refer to them as you're doing the work together with your partner, right? Then, person A, share your screen. And as you share your screen, you'll have that framework up, and the two of you together will fill it out. The framework is sort of what I would consider the internal document, sort of the foundational work behind the rationale. It's a deeper dive into the text itself and the demographics of it all that we use to then lean on to write the rationale, and it will serve some other purposes down the road as well. So you fill out the framework, it's going to save automatically. It should be all good to go because you're in that shared drive. And then you'll open the rationale and you'll type and develop the rationale together as well. Once those two pieces are done, I ask that you go into that completion tracker spreadsheet and mark that they are done with just X's in the correct columns and put your name or both your names there. It doesn't matter if it's one or both. I'm really just going to use that in case I need to get a hold of you for some reason. I know who did the work on that. And then you repeat, because hopefully you can get through maybe 2 or 3. I think 3 is wishful thinking, so maybe 2 in the time we have together. And then you filling out the completion tracker helps me know what got done, and then I can make plans to get, reach out and make plans to get the rest of the work taken care of. A little small additional note before I sign off here is the folder that you're using, the framework and the rationale and the tracker spreadsheet are all shared, and having 200 people have access to an editable document is kind of risky. So please make sure that you are very careful in accessing only what you need to access and making changes in only what you need to make changes in. And we're just going to hope that nothing gets accidentally deleted or changed or written over. So I cannot be more thankful for you, and I really hope that your break was a pleasant one, and I hope that you have a fantastic rest of the afternoon, and I'll see you in a tiny little square tomorrow. Bye.